Chanukah, the holiday of light and thanksgiving. We look at the candles, at the light rising from them, and we give thanks for what we have. We give thanks for what's inside of us. And I look in these preparations for Chanukah, the children are excited to create their own menorah, and I give thanks quietly and out loud. I'm thankful that my son with cerebral palsy manages to hold a thin piece of paper between two fingers and stick it accurately on a thin piece of wood. How much he worked to be able to do that, thank God. And I also thank for the simplicity in which it comes to Carmi, his sweet sister. I'm so grateful. On Chanukah, a second after lighting the candles, instead of running to make more latkes and sufganiyot, sit in front of the candles for a few minutes and just look at them. And in your heart, or out loud, say thank you. Say thank you for the things in your life, for the things inside of you. Day by day, the more candles there are, the greater the light. And within you, the more you practice being grateful, the ability to give thanks will also grow. Your observation of the good in your life will increase more and more, and the light within you will also grow. You have 8 days of Chanukah to practice this, 8 days in which to increase the light. Because there is always something to be thankful for. All we need to do is to quietly observe, and it will come. Looking at the light emanating from the candles help. I would love to hear from you in the comments. What are you thankful for?